Hi, good evening. This is Scott at Scott Trades on Twitter with StockMarketMentor.com and your chart of the day. I want to take a look at two drug manufacturers, as drug manufacturers have really held up well throughout this last couple of weeks here. You can see Eli Lilly here on the screen, ticker LLY, is above all the key moving averages. And if I look at MRK, which I saw was mentioned on CNBC a couple of days ago, it too is above some key moving averages here. And so I think these are definitely stocks you want to watch. MRK, nice base of consolidation right here, coming up to a previous resistance zone. I think you want to watch for a move through that 94.75 zone coming on volume. And LLY caught my eye today because we ended up having higher than average volume. Nice move right off that 21-day exponential period moving average. At this point, it's a little extended based on today's individual move. And so I would probably want to watch this consolidate a little more, maybe print a few inside days, and then move above and close above that 331 level coming on higher than average volume. So maybe have an alert just below the pivot, maybe around 331.48, and then you'll want to see a strong close above that level coming on higher than average volume. Now, neither Merck or Eli Lilly have earnings this month, and so that's good to know. So you have a little time if you are looking to swing any of these stocks. So I hope that video is helpful. Hey, give me a follow on Twitter if you don't already, at Scott Trades. And be sure to check out what we're up to over at StockMarketMentor.com. Click the link, take a trial, and I'll see you on the other side.